First question, which one of the bones below does not belong to the appendicular skeleton? Okay, let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, and let's look at the figure to see which one is not, right? So then appendicular skeleton, that's gonna be our arms and legs, basically. And we have right here the ethmoid bone, which is gonna be part of our skull. And we have right here in green the ethmoid bone. So then this should be the bone that is not part of the appendicular skeleton. Right here, ethmoid bone would be the answer, right? Because that one is not part of the appendicular skeleton. Okay, next question. All of the following are found on the temporal bone except the... Okay, so right here we have zygomatic process. It is in there. Mastoid process, external cristae, sella turcica. So then let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, and let's take a look at the figure. Right here we have the sphenoid bone, and that is where we find the sella turcica, right? Right here in the middle is where the sella turcica is. You have it right here as dorsum sellae, which is the same thing. So going back to the question, the answer is going to be obviously sella turcica because that's in the sphenoid bone, not in the temporal bone. Next question, which one of the following is only found on the axis vertebrae? Okay, let's wait 5 seconds. So let's take a look at this in the figure, and we have dens. So you're going to find the dens only in the axis, which is the second cervical vertebrae. Going back to the question, and we have dens or odontoid process that is going to be found only in the axis. Okay, next question. The blank does not belong to the femur. And we have anterior border, fovea capitis, greater trochanter. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Okay, let's take a look at the figure. And right here we have the femur, and we have the medial condyle, lesser trochanter, greater trochanter, the fovea capitis is in here. Okay, so then going back to the question, the only possible answer is going to be anterior border, right? Because that one does not belong to the femur. The other answers are obviously found in the femur. Next question, the glenoid cavity of the blank articulates with the head of the blank. Right? So we have in here scapula, radius, humerus, etc. So let's wait for 5 seconds. Let's take a look at the figure. And right here, this is the scapula. Right there, you have the scapula. And right here, you have the glenoid cavity. And the glenoid cavity is going to articulate with the head, this part right here, of the humerus. So then the glenoid cavity is in the scapula and articulates with the head of the humerus. Going back to the question, right here, we have the glenoid cavity of the scapula articulates with the head of the humerus. This should be the answer right there.